Welcome back to Inside Car Max, where luxury meets innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most prestigious road giants of the future, the 2026 Ultra-Luxury Motorcoach. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling 5-star hotel, built for those who expect the finest whether they're on the highway or off-grid. Let's get inside and explore this majestic machine from the inside out. From the moment you approach the 2026 Ultra-Luxury Motorcoach, its bold presence commands attention. The exterior design is a blend of futuristic styling and aerodynamic elegance. Chrome-accented LED light bars wrap around the front grille, giving it a signature look even at night. Sleek side mirrors are replaced by integrated HD cameras, offering wide-angle visuals inside the cabin. Flush-mounted automatic entry steps glide out as you approach, welcoming you like royalty. Its body is crafted from lightweight carbon alloy composite, reducing weight and increasing durability. Stepping inside feels like entering a high-end suite. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort, layered in genuine Italian leather, hand-polished wood, ambient LED lighting, and floor-to-ceiling panoramic smart windows. Each material has been selected for both elegance and sustainability. The lounge area features reclining captain chairs with built-in massage and heating functions. You'll find a 75-inch OLED display up front with full smart home integration. Voice control systems manage lighting, temperature, blinds, and entertainment. The ceiling has a customizable starry sky projection, perfect for night drives or cozy stopovers. The kitchen doesn't fall behind, equipped with a dual induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, smart microwave, and even a built-in espresso machine. You can cook like you're home, while still on the road. Towards the rear, there's a full-size spa-inspired bathroom with heated marble floors, rain shower with chromatherapy, and a smart mirror that displays news, weather, or your travel itinerary. The bedroom is truly next level, a king-size memory foam bed, wrap-around ambient lighting, retractable skylight, and soundproof walls ensure restful nights anywhere. Underneath this beauty lies raw power. Powered by a next-general hybrid electric V8 engine with over 650 horsepower, the Motorcoach combines performance with eco-efficiency. The electric mode allows silent gliding up to 50 miles before switching to hybrid, making city navigation easy and emission-light. Advanced air suspension delivers a cloud-like ride even on rough roads. Built-in AI assists with adaptive cruise control, terrain response, real-time tire pressure, and obstacle detection, making driving this beast feel smooth and secure. Now let's talk pricing. This dream on wheels doesn't come cheap. Starting at $1.5 million, the base package includes all standard luxury features, with customization options pushing it to well over $2 million. Buyers can select everything from personalized interiors to integrated security systems and even drone launch pads for aerial site viewing. The 2026 Ultra-Luxury Motorcoach isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. A symbol of ultimate freedom, comfort, and class. Whether you're exploring national parks or driving along the coast, this Motorcoach ensures you never compromise on luxury. If you're dreaming of the road without leaving the comforts of home, this is the future of travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more immersive vehicle reviews, only on Inside Car Max.